Bunga.
Woohoo! Do any of you fishies love the fall season?
You know we do, baby. Whenever it's fall, it gives us a chance to jump into this big pile of leaves.
Hey you six, how are you guys doing on this nice fall day?
Very good, you guys. We are just having lots of fun in the pile of fall leaves.
Well, we just happen to have an even greater thing we can play with today.
Any of you guys are up to an ice bowling game?
Fantabulous. That sounds like a nice game for us to play.
Well alrighty. We already got the pins set up. So let's all get going and get to it.
Okay, so this is how we are gonna do this. We will each roll the ball onto the pins, and we will see who can get a strike in the end. Whoever gets a strike, wins.
Alright, I will be going first since I'm kinda pro at this. Yahoo! Most of the pins are down. I still got what it takes.
Just you wait, Puppycorn. I am pretty much also a pro at bowling, so I may have your skills to win this. Eight out of the 10 pins knocked down. Interesting.
We will totally see about that, William. Cause this whale is about to get a strike. Ooh, so close. 9 out of 10 pins. What a record.
Not bad. 7 out of 10 pins. Pretty good for a fashion star like me.
Sweet. 8 out of 10 pins. I am getting better and better.
Draw some. 7 out of 10 pins. Good thing I am being gentle like that one time a while back.
Now that is how a kitty like me scored a good score in bowling. 8 out of 10 pins.
Woohoo! 7 out of 10 pins knocked to the ground. This kitten knows how is it done.
I just hope I get a strike, since neither of us got one. Well, here goes nothing then. Yay. I did it. I got all 10 pins. I got a strike.
Well, Chucks, it is our great honor to say that you have won the bowling game.
Well done, Seahorse friend. You did amazing out there.
Thanks, fishies. I am totally getting better at bowling.
You are sure, Chucks. Nice job getting a strike, by the way.
Let's now go for a second round and see who can get a strike this time.